Hello everyone. Today we're gonna install this Mishimoto upper intake boot and lower intake boot to my E46 BMW. So this is a complete set. Okay. And we're gonna open it. Okay, so here it is. I choose the one with black and orange, but I believe there's 3 more colors, blue and red. So I decided to go for black, just to go kind of like keep my OEM look, you know. Here's the other one. Okay, and more stuff right here. And like a little I believe this is just for information, like what else they're selling. Radiator. Here it is. This is the red one. I got this one, but yeah, let's start. Let's start with this and install, and I'll give you guys my review for this Mishimoto intake boot. Stay tuned.